Hello! I am so beyond myself freaked out right now because I have a present and it came from my Amazon wish list, which I've never publicized before, and it's a big one. I am scared to open it. I've had it since it came in the mail for many hours now, and I just had to put it in my room and close the door and walk away because I have many feelings about receiving this. Oh my goodness. Paul Dennis, thank you so much. I'm going to open this and show you all what's inside. Especially you, Paul. I wanted to record this so you can see my face when I open it. Oh my gosh, it's like one of the least things I could do for you. I'm also going to send prints. It's paper! Oh my god! From Paul, I got a PS4! Oh my freaking goodness! And it's got the Batman! Okay, well, this is not the last you'll see of me and the Batman and my PS4. Now that I have it, it means that I can play it, and that means that I need friends to play things with me, and I'm also going to have to feed my PlayStation other games. Moment of silence. Thank you so much. This is amazing. I'm absolutely in awe. This is so generous. Thank you. I can't wait to play it.